Yo, get back where say when I get she video can play and say recently I get she Somalian American ko e ba Teshie ni am ni ba fe video ko ni asend video am video YouTube e trend almost about 35,000 views here YouTube. The video spoke about Teshie. The caption any gbomo ha e kemi ni I visited the most dangerous community in Teshie no kutumuna. No, I visited the most dangerous community in Ghana. Okay? She visited the most dangerous community. No, I visited the most dangerous neighborhood in Ghana. Yeah, that's the caption. The caption catch my attention because over Ghana, friend, okay, you visited the most dangerous neighborhood in Ghana. Ni Teshie me why be anyone na video no burenche or describe Teshie the most dangerous. In a catch attention feel can have concern Teshie me. Ni in mo be an children Kevin. He acted like a tour guide to the tourist introduction visitor ni ba mami they collect rounds. She in get like basane again I'm a motive. It wasn't about putting Teshie in a bad light, but like I'm a intention like a blogger, I know like a YouTuber ni ba Ghana like a content ni few jackashin a visitor places ni in Ajimbo Slam a low dangerous community. Tony, most money wouldn't just bala video and work because you need PM. Bala video.
Thank you for allowing us to interview.
I told me Tony.
They come here
come around look around because Teshie
I'm not too fluent in Ghana, but yeah, I told me Tony. I'm a YouTuber, content creator, blogger too. No, money on actually Guinea. Somalian, the America. So reach out to our team.
Okay.
About in our content no of your no one reach out to our team. Well, a bagana, ne bagana, wakale Teshie, wakale explore Teshie, wakale explore Cape Coast, even the castle, wakale explore Ashaiman, wakale explore Nima, wakale explore Happy, even Accra, like some places. No one know what Teshie, like a Teshie video and they'll drop it. She know what Teshie why interview me like some exaggerating me ha me you can ha Teshie can be coming on an intro. She near the caption any ha no na afet to it's a question mark. She caption content creator ni YouTube in a caption ha ni a pool or more crowd.
Okay, caption ha ni a pool or more crowd there. When I get Teshie what Teshie we are fighting this thing already. Ni maybe I mean we bad about Teshie. When I'm into much maybe we bad about Teshie in a way ni would then chair want to always means no about Jena narrative. I got check YouTube or check Uber can people about Teshie. Ni all of a sudden mukonto ni a ride like ni no ni a you Teshie sanya. Bona agashi if I still no one fighting work correct here if I affect you more.
No one here ka ona caption more content and your caption me ko video and it's way different on content
it's way different then problem any ma be your jakeshi ona can make pinfe illegal business yeah the can video name they can you are not supposed to expose them ne efetomo ekole nye ha me no go I don't know what you gave them but like they were excited ni ame na your camera ni they weren't even shying away from the camera because of it no go feel nye ha me ekole like mood am na nche ncho aga me fe ni bibi recently ko ba kai police when you are no go ne can wo fe wo hale okay me komani am fe na ke business ni ke camera expose am ni can how the outside say how do you expect the people to see us because sometimes ni your me jakeshi ona video na if sometimes he's a YouTuber she's a YouTuber and she want to explore but like we consent Teshie me what problem jakeshi won't fight na can be no ni want to one ni can what bring you down ni what hide ni side of Teshie because Teshie is very big never to mo ke ni mo ko Teshie ni bo na ke bo get content creator jibu ni bo kele nya la kan side no ona ge e big yawa
oh
you mono kono ni ya no
content ni ora no ni ton content me info video kente makono le video ni info nightlife kente makono nightlife ma fe ke info like those chaotic and dangerous stuff about places kente ko no ne ma fe no ni ochichi yeah our content ni it's not about exposing but ekule caption no na 40 but call o video me we were able to explore, explain and make a better descriptive of the content no they about the caption e kule ba hani bo o click about what is in the content. Corner, there wasn't any chaotic, there wasn't anything that's feeling like dangerous, but it's a content. You get it? Yeah, just a content. That's all.
But still, I don't know here no. The content doesn't mean Teshie is the most dangerous neighborhood in Ghana. Or like a narrative, or to no good, or rapafy. Got oh no, we are now. Come on, like next time if I post talk about Teshie, we do a caption because we are very very concerned about our reputation out there. You tell me back a lot of us say we need job and nibi come. Ni captions about us send of bad signals about we in the town. No, no connection ya no. Ninka we bad mo bien ka bad mo be aka oba ye for me to ni ma educate bohu ye na kan bi ai. E could still as you keep doing your YouTube video, you will still be doing the video. No matter what se kokko na mo koni o kre ba explore ma nya ka ya na kan direction because na kan direction we are fighting that direction. Koni o man bi e we ajo. Ma kwabo fai. Teshie plug no yo ngene. Ngene ngbela bo ke ba Teshie plug no. She wo ole ani Teshie plug bi agogo ba pe. Ngene o feel boko e bi ene makpa man bi afa keshin. We be I mean they don't have any bad intention doing this video, but like Monique a video out there let the caption and if checking narrative because got okay content in your video me let them eke enu ni bi commercial e ba ma mi je na kan yole e sha e ko pore je ka ka shimini ke otako mu ko he Teshie mu ko toy shimi to ni man bi alogana bi fe like Teshie da wa je small side any young way alo ma mi bi ni ameji the whole of Teshie da papa o kenya kala kan side FM ba juan Teshie bi fe je na kan yole video le e YouTube show ba mo de ni e ko la fe no ko because content is na check caption e baba e Teshie plug no